Hello, hello. Our group have done research about how love can impact on 20s cinema use, and let us start our presentation. So our team executed our survey with sampling frame units undergraduates, and survey was done from 21st October to 25th October, and we gained 109 valid data out of 117. And after data collection, our team manually typed in Excel sheet, and analysis was usually done with filter function by counting the frequencies, because as most of our data were ordinal data. The composition of our sample showed gender ratio by 61% male and 36% female, and 32% of total had girlfriend or boyfriend, while rest of the 68% was not in dating state steadily. And we made questionnaires according to these kind of categories, and as a result of our analysis, we found three interesting points, and next presenters will cover those interesting points one by one.
At various times, people go to the movies. Usually, the first film of the day is screened at 7 a.m., and the last film of the day is screened at 23 to 24. However, some films are screened at 25 to 26. Exhibit 2.1.1 represents the frequency of time zone people prefer when they are with same or opposite sex. Vertical y-axis means frequency. Horizontal x-axis means time. Both graphs are similar in shape, but there are differences in the frequency. People prefer the evening hours when they are with opposite sex than with same sex, emphasis 2. And people prefer early morning when they are with same sex than with opposite sex, emphasis 1. People will meet their same-sex friends early in the morning to see the movie without overly decoration, and they will meet their lover in the evenings with leisurely decoration. And it is related to the reason why people go to theater. These parts can be worth further investigation. If so, what factors make people to go movie in different time zones? And when we ask people why do you go to movie at certain times, the ratio of scheduled answer is the highest. In this research, schedule means the time intended to accompany shopping or eating, and the following answer is convenience of time. And to find how love can affect on time zone, we divided this research into those who are dating and non-dating. And Exhibit 2.1.3 shows the reason why dating people go to movie at certain time. And we find interesting results in Exhibit 2.1.4, which represents the reason why non-dating people go to movie at certain time. As comparing Exhibit 2.1.3 and Exhibit 2.1.4, there is no big difference in other parts. However, in Exhibit 2.1.4, the answer price is 3 times higher than that of Exhibit 2.1.3. It means people usually do not care price when they are with opposite sex or lovers, but they care price if they are with same sex. It shows the behavior of people which do not want to hesitate for money in front of opposite sex or lovers.
The second content is related to preference in facilities when people to go cinema. As we mentioned in the prior content, people choose a company's schedule as the factor of selecting the screening time regardless of sex that they go to cinema with. If so, is the company's schedules and regardless of the companion's sex, also are the additional facilities used to spend their time same. According to this graph, there is a difference in using of additional facilities according to the companion's sex. In the case of people who spend their time with the opposite sex, cafe is the most used place for their schedule. It is 50%. Next, restaurant and shopping mall is used 39% and 8% each. On the other hand, in the case of people who spend time with the same sex, they use mostly restaurant, it is 48%. Next, cafe and arcade is used. The each percentage is 22% and 21%. In the first case, the percentage of cafe and restaurant are far higher than other factors. On the other hand, the percentage of restaurant is the highest. It is 48%. It is similar to the percentage of the first case. However, utility rate of cafe of people who go to with the same sex is approximately half of that people who go with the opposite sex. Interesting thing is that the utility rate of arcade is quite high in people that go with the same sex. It is similar to the percentage of cafe in the same group. Like this, there is a difference in using additional facilities in regard to companion sex. As to this difference, we think that it is because people who have date with the partner want to spend their time and interact with their partner, while people who spend time with the same sex want to do fun activities rather building the relations with their friends.
Next, we compared the demographic information of loving now and using the experience for promotion. According to our research, there is even a respondent with no lover ever answered he has been given a couple discount. Moreover, one of most interesting things we surveyed is the couples now living with answered they have not given any couple discount. For about this, we think the movie market had targeted wrong market segment for discounting an event properly. So when the event is occurred, the movie market should concretize their specific target. One more thing, by our research, most people answered they don't know discount well or annoyed with using. Thus, the people don't use frequently. Let's see this picture. It's listing the events on the move at Cinema Now. Although there are so many events ongoing, the way for using the events is complex to use the event knowing all the way. Therefore, the most events became pie in the sky. More detailed, it became 자린고비의 고등어 in Korean. The movie market thus should promote with simplified the process and organized for appreciating many people.
In summary, we found some interesting results from our research. First, it is that people who are falling in love prefer to evening time to watch a movie. We consider this reason as they want to be more attractive to their lover. In contrast, people who are not falling in love prefer all time generally. They want to have an enjoyable time with the same gender friends. Second, we also found the fact whether they are falling in love or not, they accompany the other schedules. For example, they are cafe, restaurant, and other enjoyable places. So we can suggest a promotion that watching a movie could be related to discounts of shopping place or delicious restaurant. Third, we could realize that the effort of marketing the target would be long of